Hey everyone, it's the Mind Mechanic. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to break down the science behind 5-HTP and see how this natural supplement might be able to make a real difference in your life. We'll cover what the research says, how it might work for you, and how to use it safely and effectively. So if you're ready to learn more about how 5-HTP could help you unlock a happier, healthier you, keep watching. So let's start with the basics. What exactly 5-HTP? Well, 5-HTP stands for 5-hydroxytryptophan, and it's a compound that our bodies naturally produce. It all starts with an essential amino acid called tryptophan. Our bodies convert tryptophan into 5-HTP, which then acts as a precursor to serotonin. Serotonin is a crucial neurotransmitter that plays a huge role in our overall well-being. It's heavily involved in regulating our mood, sleep patterns, appetite, and even how we perceive pain. By increasing our 5-HTP levels, we're essentially giving our bodies a helping hand in producing more serotonin. One of the most promising benefits of 5-HTP is its potential to positively impact mood. Studies have shown that supplementing with 5-HTP can lead to a noticeable improvement in mood for many people. By boosting serotonin levels with 5-HTP, you might experience a greater sense of calm and a more positive outlook. Always talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you're currently taking medication for depression or anxiety. Let's face it, a good night's sleep is crucial for our physical and mental health. If you're someone who struggles with getting a restful night's sleep, 5-HTP might be able to help. By increasing serotonin levels, 5-HTP indirectly helps boost melatonin production, which can lead to significant improvements in sleep quality. Many people who take 5-HTP report falling asleep faster and waking up feeling more refreshed. So if you're tired of tossing and turning, 5-HTP could be a natural solution worth exploring. Now this benefit might come as a surprise, but 5-HTP could potentially assist with weight management. Serotonin plays a role in regulating our feelings of hunger and fullness. When our serotonin levels are balanced, we're less likely to experience cravings and more likely to feel satisfied after a meal. Studies have shown that 5-HTP can promote a feeling of fullness, which can lead to a reduction in calorie intake. Of course, 5-HTP is most effective when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Believe it or not, 5-HTP might even offer some relief from certain types of pain. Research suggests that it could be particularly helpful for those with chronic pain conditions like fibromyalgia and chronic headaches. Serotonin is known to influence our pain perception, and boosting its levels could potentially dampen pain signals. If you're looking for a natural way to complement your current pain management strategy, 5-HTP could be worth discussing with your doctor. Before you run out and stock up on 5-HTP, it's crucial to understand how to use it safely and effectively. Start with a low dose, around 50 to 100 milligrams per day. This will allow your body to get used to the supplement and help you gauge how it affects you personally. If you're taking 5-HTP for sleep support, take it in the evening, about 30 minutes to an hour before bed. For mood support, you might find that taking it earlier in the day works best. Always consult with your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you're currently on medication. So there you have it, the potential benefits of 5-HTP. From boosting your mood and improving sleep to supporting weight management and even offering some pain relief, this natural supplement has a lot to offer. If you're considering adding 5-HTP to your routine, start slow, listen to your body, and consult your healthcare provider. Did you find this video helpful? Let me know in the comments below if you've tried 5-HTP and what your experience has been like. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more videos about living a healthier, happier life.